Hello, my dear students. How are you? Hope you all are fine at home. Students, do you want to know what we are going to do today? Today, we are going to do a very interesting activity. This activity is related to number 9, and for this activity, you need some newspapers and Fevicol. Two things you need, and for this activity, and I hope you will enjoy this activity. And for this activity, first of all, write date over here and classwork over here and the name of the child over here. Okay, so let's start our activity. Students, as you can see in the next page, activity snapshots are given. You have to follow the snapshots and make this activity. Okay, so let's start. What the child has to do? You have to make small balls using a sheet of newspaper. With the help of these sheets, you will make small balls, and after that we can apply glue on the number and you have to paste the balls on it. So first of all, you are having the small pieces of newspaper. You will make small ball. Like this, you will make small balls. Keep it aside. Make the balls. Just crush the paper. Make the balls. Like this you will make. Like this you will make, students. Like this. You will make the ball. Again, crush the paper. And crush like this that the ball should be appear. Like this. You can see. There is a paper like this. Students, crush the paper and make the balls like this. Like I am doing, crush the papers and make the balls. Keep it aside. Students, I have made balls. I have prepared these balls earlier, and let's start this activity. Just keeping these balls here only. And I am applying glue on the activity. I am applying the glue on the number 9. First of all, what is the formation? Curve, standing line. This is the formation, my students. Curve, standing line. This is number 9. Okay, let's start. Pick the ball and keep it like this and paste it over here. You have to paste balls only. Like this, you will paste ball. Like this, you will paste balls over here. It will take some time, and then it will take some time to paste. You can just press and the paper will paste. You can just press the papers. Let's paste the next one. Press it, leave it. Pick the paper, press it, and then leave it. Pick the paper, make proper balls, press it, then leave it. Pick the paper, make a proper ball, press it, then leave it. Pick the paper. You have to follow the formation in the activity also. First of all, you will paste balls in the curve like I am doing. Just press. Curve is completed. Now start pasting on standing line. When you will press, then it will surely paste. Just paste this. This activity is very simple. You just need newspaper as well as Fevicol to complete this activity properly. The child has to crush the paper. Please do this activity should be done by child only, and I am damn sure that the child will enjoy this activity a lot. वो इस activity को बहुत enjoy करेंगे. So please give them chance to do the activity. Our activity is complete, and I hope you enjoyed this activity, and you have to send this work on Google Classroom on today's date. Thank you, students.